Psychological safety is one of the two key traits of high-performance teams, but most workplaces are not fostering them, and therefore they are missing out on a lot of collaboration, trust and innovation. But how do you build psychologically safe environments? That's what I'm going to talk today in 5 different categories. We are looking into actionable things you can immediately use on a daily, weekly and monthly basis. So what are those 5 categories? They are transparent communication, active listening, equal voice, enabling ownership, and continuous improvement. So let's jump in. Transparent communication is one of the 3 pillars of high-performance teams, and it's transparency, inspect, and adapt. And one cool thing you can do on a daily basis is have a team check-in every morning where you align your work for the day. On a weekly basis, you can do open discussion meetings. And on a monthly basis, you can review your communication channels in the company. Second, active listening. And one cool way to practice is actually in the daily check-in. So try to active listening to the person who is talking, acknowledge the contribution openly, and also avoid interrupting the speakers. And on a weekly basis, you can do one-on-ones. And on a monthly basis, review your team's feedback culture. The third category is equal voice. And I'm actually a little bit sneaky because this is the second trait of high performance teams according to Google's Aristoteles project. So let's jump in. What can you do on a daily basis? For instance, invite all voices in a meeting. On a weekly basis, rotate the team meetings facilitators. And on a monthly basis, check how you want to delegate things, for example, with delegation poker cards, which creates this sense of equal voice through playing with communication tools like the delegation poker cards. The fourth category is enabling ownership, and it's a powerhouse for high performance teams. So on a daily basis, let the team members pull in their work so they can do meaningful work. And on a weekly basis, let the team lead projects on their own, like pulling in bigger projects for themselves so they can grow their confidence and their skills. And on a monthly basis, you can review individuals' development and adjust the autonomy as needed. And the fifth category, continuous improvement, which is actually the ingredient for every high performance team because we always want to go from good to great. So what can you do on a daily basis is to give real-time feedback, constructive feedback. On a weekly basis, run short retrospectives to continuously improve your working styles. And on a monthly basis, set team growth objectives so your team can continuously grow. But now a small warning. So we don't want to create environments where people feel safe and everything is like fluffy. No, we want to create an environment where constructive criticism and growth become possible. And we should not use metrics to do performance evaluation, but rather improvement. So that's what we want to focus on. We want to improve, continuously improve as an individual and as a team and a whole organization. So psychological safety is really important to create this environment where people want to be, where they are collaborating, where they feel trusted, and they are ready to innovate because they don't fear to speak up. And actually, I've created an ebook where I will share 45 ways to build psychological safety, and I will share it in the descriptions below. So we talked about psychological safety and ownership of the team members. And if you like this video, you will love this video where I talk about the accountability ladder of a team, how they can climb it up to create this sense of ownership. So have a look, and now I wish you an enjoyable and productive time. And always remember, you are awesome.